Welcome back to the channel, guys. We've got some exciting stuff coming up for the Golf over the next couple of months. First of all, we've got to tackle the sagging headliner, and if I just show you here, lovely. And then we've also got all the A, B and C pillar trims to suede as well. And then I know it sounds a bit cowboyish, but I did it before and I'm pretty sure it'll work okay. But I'm going to be painting all these in like a satin black, including the sun visors. So yeah, but let me just show you what we've got coming up. So there we have it. We got some air ride from Plush with their ABP system. It's a 3P. So I think those are the bags to go at the back. Got another box over there with all the goodies in. So yeah, that'll be in one of the videos coming up soon. So fingers crossed that goes well. And then we've also got, I'm not going to reveal them yet, but we've got a new set of wheels to go on it as well. So that should hopefully look good. The reason why I haven't posted in a while is because there is no Golf. I haven't had it for just over a month. And that's because it's at the paint shop and I thought sod it. So it's having a full paint job. The more I looked into it, there was scratches, little dinks and dents and stone chips. So I thought sod it. So it's at the paint shop at the moment, getting painted. So I should get that back in sometime in January. But I have got a lot to keep me busy. And fingers crossed that goes well as well. But the one thing that did piss me off a little bit, I have ordered a new one, but I wanted this smooth. And I kind of wanted to get this one repaired, smoothed and painted. But if you can see, I went and snapped it trying to get the back off it. Now, I don't know if that can be repaired. I don't know if anybody can tell me in the comments. But I have got the piece that goes on it somewhere. But yeah, but I have got a new one coming. But it's not going to be here for a while. And yeah, so I hope everybody had a good Christmas. And let's get back to it. So I'm going for black suede on the headliner, black suede on the A, B and C's, and then get these painted up as well. So let's get to it. I'll just bring you in and just show you a close-up of what I'm doing here. So this is this horrible, nasty foam. But I have found that this wire brush that we keep works really well. And I'll just quickly show you. then all I'll do after is I'll just get the vacuum, basically just vac all the bits up, give the floor a bit of a sweep, and then we can be on to the next stage, which is getting the suede on it. So there we have it then, the headliner off, all the, I don't even know what you call it, the horrible foam, that's all been scraped off. So all I've got to do now is just hopefully vac it, and it should all come off. There we go. Yeah, it's coming off all right, to be fair. Well, anyway, you get the picture. So I'll finish up here, and then I will bring you back once it's ready to be sueded. One headliner, all done, prepped and ready for the next stage, which is the suede. The parcel that I've been waiting for, well, it said it wasn't going to be delivered until the end of Jan. It's literally just turned up. In fact, the delivery guy came and I thought it was for next door. So I just happened to have a look at it, got my name on it. So I don't know if anybody can guess what it is. Okay, so it's unwrapped, and there it is. My new front grille. I'm not sure on the shine, don't know. I'll probably send that to the body shop, but at least it's smooth, at least it's not cracked. Didn't realise it came with the R32 badge, but I am going to put my genuine one back in. It's got a new VW badge there, and the number plate holder, but I'll throw that away. So yeah, tell me what you think, guys. Do you think I should keep it like that, or I kind of had a kind of like satin silver vibe going, or like a reflex silver, but I don't know. I'll take it. All that's got to be unclipped. But that's what I tried to do on the last one, and I bloody busted it here. So do I give it to my trusty body shop and let them do it? And fingers crossed they don't break it. Or do I get the old one repaired? I don't know. But it's here, and I am happy with it. It's better than what I've got, which is nothing. So yeah, but let's get back to doing the headliner. I found the suede, so I'll get that unravelled now, cut it to the size, get my glue ready, and so I'll bring you back in a minute. Okay, so I've got the headliner, I've got the suede, I've cut it to size, so I've got some extreme heat adhesive, it's a spray form. So I'm just going to apply the headliner and the suede, and then I'm just going to carefully work in, not to force, but just kind of like, so it just sits naturally, so it's not under tension. But I do find it has a tendency to kind of pull away over time. So I'll, yeah, here goes. lay it as straight as I can. Minimise the creases. And then I'm just working my way from the middle, and I'm just kind of pushing it out. There you go. Better? Yeah. So all I've done, I mean, it could be completely wrong, but I've just kind of cut and then just slit here just to allow the suede to just kind of fall down into this recess here without kind of pushing it in and stretching it, because I do find then it kind of like pings away. But I mean, I could be wrong, but that's kind of my experience with it. And then obviously you're left with a join here, but again, I'll kind of sort that out and I'll show you that in a bit. But I've just got the rest of that to do. Focus. Again, I'm just going to kind of not stretch it in, but just kind of let it fall into the recess and then stretch it over, and that should be fine. Do the same that side, and then just the back to do. All done. Well, the headliner is anyway. Let me know what you think, guys. I think it's turned out all right, to be fair. Well, it's definitely better than what it was. No more sagging, as they say. But yeah, so that's the headliner down, and we've just got the side trims to do. But that'll be in another video because, yeah, I'm tired. And yeah, and like I say, we've got the air system to fit, wheels, waiting for the car to come back from the paint shop. So yeah, it's all systems go in January, and hopefully I can start doing a few shows in it, and yeah, and go from there. So if you do still like following the video, yeah, please remember to like, comment and subscribe if you can. That'd be brilliant. And I'll see you in the next one. Thought I'd do just a little video on these side trims here. I won't go into great detail, but basically we're going to get these sueded up. I've stripped the plastics out so they're ready to be painted black, and yeah, so I'm just going to suede them up. So I'll bring you in and out when I've made some progress and kind of show you how I'm going to do it. Basically, I think I'm just going to leave the original material on because it's not sagging or peeling away, and I'm probably going to open up myself into a whole world of pain if I do. So I'll just suede straight over them, and yeah, then I'll kind of match the headliner that I did yesterday. I didn't kind of show you any decent shots of it really yesterday, so I don't know if you can see. It's definitely better than the original. I don't know why they don't come factory black anyway, but hey ho. So yeah, I'll catch you in a minute. Okay, so I've got the cut the suede to size, and I've made sure that this is the back, and obviously I've got the A-pillar trim there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the spray. Obviously I'm going to spray the trim, and then spray the back of the suede, and then obviously flip the suede back over, and hopefully flat it all out and, you know, shape it around. So here goes. I'm just kind of basically just kind of cover all the area as best as you can. I'm not too fussed about this bit. I mean, yeah, I'm just gonna suede over that. So just pick this up, be careful, don't get all the glue all over your hand. Just gonna move that to the one side, and then spray this up. And then kind of go the other way. Try and get it all covered. So that's that bit done. I mean, there's no easy way of doing this really, one-handed, but I'll give it a go. So there it is. And then hopefully flip it over. It is better with two hands, but we'll give this one a go, and I'll do the rest off camera. So it's all nice and straight. Bit of a crease there. But yeah, you get the gist of it. So I'm just gonna kind of tidy up the corners, and then yeah, this one should be all done. So I will I'll see you in a bit. going to look sick when they're in the car. So that's the passenger front. Perfect. Right then, I'll crack on with the rest. And you don't need to see me do them all, but I will bring you back once they're done. And then we've just got the plastics to paint. See you in a minute. Okay, after a few hours, they're all done now. I think they turned out really well. Here you go. These bits here were a bit of a bitch, but we got there in the end. But yeah, I think they've turned out okay. And then we've got the headliner over there. Still got to cut out the holes and for the lights, etc. But focus. So that's the suede done so far, and yeah, I'm really pleased with it. And yeah, it wasn't too bad to do. So I'll put this on the end of the video that I did yesterday, and then now all I got to do is black all these. So that should be fun, and that's it.